Plugging in your headphones or your speakers into your Windows PC is about as seamless as it can get, but you might sometimes run into problems. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can fix your headphones not working in Windows 11. The first thing that we're going to do, as always with audio settings, is to check our output device. Now to do this, press Windows key plus I to open Windows settings. Head over to System and then click on Sound. In here under Output, you will see all of the different output devices that are connected to your system. Make sure that you've selected the right one by checking this radio button. And then you will also be able to see the volume right here. And that's that. So make sure that you've got the proper output device selected. If the proper device is selected, or if you don't see it here, in the second step, all you have to do is scroll down, click on More Sound Settings at the end, and then you will be able to see all of the different sound devices which may not be enabled. For example, my Bluetooth headphones aren't connected, so they're not enabled. You can right click to check if a particular device is enabled or not. For example, my current speakers, which go through my monitor, which is why they show up as NVIDIA high definition audio, I can right click them and I can disable these, and then they will disappear from this list. But if I come back, click on enable, they'll come back right here. So you can try doing the same with your pair of headphones just to make sure that they appear in the output list so that you can select them and have your audio come out of your headphones. The next step is to try and run a driver update. Now this is as simple as it gets. Just press Windows key plus X to open the quick access menu and head over to Device Manager. In here we've actually got a bunch of options, so we can expand audio inputs and outputs, and you will see all of your different audio inputs and outputs here. Alternatively, you can go all the way down to sound, video and game controllers, and you will also see all of your different audio devices here. For the sake of audio inputs and outputs, we're going to use the first option, and this time just need to find whatever speaker you're working with. In my case, it's this one, so NVIDIA high definition audio. Right click, click on update driver, and then click search automatically for drivers. Windows will search and will tell you if you have the best drivers installed. If you don't, they will automatically download and install the drivers for you, at which point you can just try restarting your system and the speaker should start working. Last but not least, you can just try reinstalling the device up front. So for example, if I was having problems with this particular speaker or headphone, just right click it. By the way, Windows treats those devices as the same, so any steps that you might take to troubleshoot a pair of speakers can also be used to troubleshoot a pair of headphones and basically anything else that audio comes out of. So we're going to right click this and head over to uninstall device. Windows will ask you, are you sure you want to do this? Go ahead and click on uninstall, and then you need to restart your PC with the device still plugged in, so that Windows can automatically detect and download whatever drivers it needs, or just use the default plug-and-play drivers already installed with your operating system, and that should get your headphones back up and running again. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you on the next video.